To increase your chances of winning the lottery, it's best to choose a wide range of random numbers. Add up your sets of selected numbers and pick sets that add up to somewhere between 104 and 176, since these are statistically more likely to win. Avoid following a pattern or choosing numbers that have a special meaning for you, since numbers that are grouped together or follow a pattern are less likely to win. If you're not sure how to pick, buy a quick pick ticket where random numbers are selected for you. To improve your odds, buy as many tickets as you can. Pick lotteries with a low ticket cost and frequent drawings, such as those that have drawings 1 or 2 times a week. You can also try joining a pool where lots of people chip in on tickets. Then share the jackpot if someone wins.